Hi, I'm your car's well-wisher and engine protector, your friendly neighborhood mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to save parts from rusting in your vehicles and even home appliances with Magsol Rust Off. Bolts, nuts, hinges and moving parts are constantly exposed to moisture, rain, humidity and dirt. Over time, rust builds up, parts seize and fasteners become difficult to loosen, making routine repairs time-consuming and frustrating. Ensure the area is accessible. Spray directly on rusted or seized parts. Allow product to penetrate. Gently loosen using appropriate tools. Parts loosen easily, movement is restored, and repair time and efforts are reduced. Use whenever parts are rusted, jammed, or hard to move. And you can also use this for the rusty appliances at home.